Okay, so in this bag is a very limited edition Beats headphone. So this is basically the new Nike edition Powerbeats Pro, and it's a collaboration between Beats and Nike. You can see both of the logos are there, and it comes in this new neon color along with the Nike swoosh on the actual earphone also. So let's unbox this headphone to see what all this has. The features are basically the same as the normal Powerbeats Pro 2, but it does have this new branding of Nike. So we'll just see how that looks like and what all does it have to offer. Let's go. First up, we need to just peel this tab from here, just like this. And once we have that, this comes off. So this is the actual case of the earphone, and you can see it has the Beats logo and these neon colors for the Nike branding obviously. We'll just take this. Let's see what else we get inside. So we get this guide over here, this instruction manual, I guess. Yeah, we have all of this. And apart from that, we also get these stickers from Beats and Nike both. That's also really good. And we get these 4 ear tip sizes and one inside. So we get a medium one inside. We have the extra small, small, large, and extra large. So we have all of these things we get in the box. But let's look at the earphone itself. So first we just open this. And right now I have my iPhone. So it says Powerbeats Pro. I click on connect. So let's just do the full setup, and I'll show you how this looks and what is the fit and what are all the new features in this. So this is how the headphones look like. I changed the ear tips because these are medium and my size is small, so I'm using that currently. And honestly, it's really good. Like, this is the case. It has this unique color. You can see even this is neon color. It has a Nike logo also. So that looks really good. One side is Nike, one side is Beats, and they look really good because this is like a limited edition collection and the features are the same as the normal Powerbeats Pro 2. Now what do they offer? Well, you have the heart rate sensor, you have Apple's H2 chip, you have the spatial audio with head tracking. So these do offer some really good features. So I would say that if you're a tech enthusiast or a collector of some limited edition tech, then this is definitely a pick you should go for because you get this new design. Like, Nike has never made a tech product as such, but this is literally it. So that's really good. But yes, let me know in the comments, what do you think about this, and do you think these are really good headphones? Have you experienced the Powerbeats Pro 2 in general? And do leave a like if you like this video. But see you next time. Until then, bye.